Hi friends, my name is Vrinda Khemka. I have brought a story named True Friendship. Once Sumit and his sister Neha were talking in the garden. A cat came over there and started screaming. First they both ignored it, but when it continued, Neha went to look at it. She saw the cat was injured. Then she said, "Oh my, you have got hurt. Let me take you in." Then Neha took the cat in with affection and loved it much. Sumit was not at all happy with the behavior Neha was keeping with the cat. Neha opened the first aid box and did the dressing of the cat. She gave it some water and said, "But my dear, what shall we call you?" Tux? Yes, Tux is a nice name. As Sumit was not happy with the cat, he decided it to live in the jungle. The cat was quite smart. That is why it left some breadcrumbs on the way back. Suddenly, they heard a sound coming from outside. Neha said, "It must be ducks. Let us go and see." Both of them went outside. The cat was screaming very loudly. Both Neha and Sumit went out. They saw a thief. Neha said, "Get out of here or I will call the police." The thief ran out quickly and Sumit apologized to Neha that he only left the cat in the jungle. Neha forgave him and Sumit said that I will never do this again. Please forgive me. Moral: if you help someone, that person will help you. Thank you.